Puerto Rican and Black, so we have tons of family traditions on both sides of my family. My mother's side, we have family reunions, Sunday dinners, a lot of family get-togethers. On my father's side is the Puerto Rican side, so we have tons of like food and music, festivals, Puerto Rican Day parades, a lot of adobo and salsa and bachata and dancing. There is a family recipe. It is traditionally it's called sofrito, but you can make it tons of different ways. But there is a specific way that my family makes it. Several ingredients, a lot made with a lot of love, a lot of seasoning, a lot of adobo, cilantro. Is delicious. If I had to describe my culture in only 3 words, it would be family, food, and music. Those 3 things play a huge part on both sides of my culture into my life. I have taken those values and passed them down to my kids just so they know like where they're from, what their culture is about, so they can be educated on it, proud of it, happy of it, because it is a beautiful thing, and hopefully they continue to pass that down to their kids as well.